This is a poor man's faceting machine. It's made from half of a cylinder of wood that's been sawed and milled so that it could be used as a faceter. It has a groove here and it's flat in this area here. It's got the little dop stick, which is in essence a radio antenna. And this is a stone that I cut with this thing. It has a little index gear here. You loosen this and you can rotate the index gear, and you've got a mark right underneath here. Well, let's see if you can see it a little better. Underneath there for the index to line up on. Anyway, this is adjustable in order to get your angle, and you can use more spacers or less spacers in order to get your height that you need. And to get your correct angle, you can set an angle gauge right up here on the flat surface and read the angle you want to cut at. And you can adjust the length of the wire to achieve it, or else build up or take away from the height of the part here. This index gear can be removed with a little Allen wrench, and I'll remove it now. I'll remove this part of it. This slides out, and this can be taken off when you decide to get your stone finished and transfer it to something else. Okay, to transfer it, this is another antenna here that I hollowed out to make a cone dop with to achieve this particular one. Now, I don't use this thing all the time. I just built it just to see how it would work, and it does work good. And when you get ready to do your crown, you simply take this off. This is a piece of threaded brass, threaded into the wood. Take that off. You put your stone down in here in that little hole. Pull it down. Lay it down on your flat surface, and you apply pressure and then twist it to get your table flat. And you can also polish it that way. And then when you got that done, you can take this out, put your hole down back in, get it down here again, put your index gear onto this stop stick, tighten it down, and you're ready to cut your tables. This needs to be put on, but I'm just showing it now how it would work. Okay, now something else. To round up your stone, that's another little gadget I've got built in here. Let me take this back out again. You've got the different holes here for the different size stones. They go all the way through. You lay it flat and shim it to the right height. And I've got several holes here so you can get down close to where you want to be. Okay, in this case we would want to get down about to right there, right on the flat here, and that would round up your stone in doing the rounding process. Now this is just a little makeshift thing I made for demonstrating, but this is something that could be used, and it's I don't know if it ever has been used or not for anything like this. I've never seen anything like this before, but it's just a little idea I thought about, and I just wanted to see if it would work. And so far it worked. Get this back in the groove again. Step back up here, tighten it up. Okay, you're ready to go. And that's the steps you would go through in order to completely cut a stone. Like I say, these are just old radio antennas, the tips of them. So that's the poor man's faceting machine. Thank you for watching.